Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on my channel. Do check out my channel, and if you like it, please do subscribe, like and share. I'm doing a series on my channel called Breakfast India where I try out recipes from all over India. Today is the 8th episode in that series and I'm going to be trying Gujarati breakfast dish Khaman Dokla today. To watch the earlier episodes, you can just click on the iCard above. I'll leave a link there. But do watch this video before watching the others. Detailed ingredients list is available in the description box, so do check it out. So let's start making the dish. So let's have a look at the ingredients required to make the dokla batter. I've got in here semolina or rava, gram flour or besan, sugar, a pinch of turmeric, salt to taste, and ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Apart from this, we'll also need some fruit salt or ENO. I'm using ENO here to make the batter. So let's start making the dish. So in order to make the batter, into all these ingredients we'll add water and whisk. The dokla batter is ready. We'll add the fruit salt into it once we are ready to steam it. So I forgot to mention one ingredient which needs to be added to this, and that's lime juice, which I'm going to add now. About to steam the dokla, so I'm going to add the fruit salt into this. Mix it well. I've got a dokla plate which I've greased with oil. I'm going to pour the batter into that. Now let's place this in a steamer. I put this in a steamer. I'm going to close the lid and cook this for around 10 to 12 minutes. Dokla is steamed and ready. Let's prepare the tempering for this. Ingredients required for tempering. In here I've got mustard seeds, black sesame seeds, a pinch of asafoetida, some coriander leaves, curry patta or curry leaves, and finely chopped green chilies. The coriander leaves and a little bit of coconut, grated fresh coconut, will be required for garnishing the dish. We'll also need a little bit of oil to temper these ingredients in. So let's start. I've got some oil heating up in a pan. Once it's hot, we'll add in the mustard seeds first. Once that starts spluttering, we'll add in the sesame seeds, the fatida, and the curry leaves. Now let's add in the green chilies. This for a while and pour some water into it. Let it come to a small boil. We'll just switch off the gas. We'll just pour the tempering over the dokla. Let this soak in well. I've cut the doklas into squares and garnished it with some coconut and coriander leaves here. So that's Khaman Dokla ready for you. It's pretty quick and easy. You can serve this with some green chutney. It'll be a different breakfast option from the regular ones. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, please do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. Until I see you next time, bye-bye.